This tutorial shows you how to use conditional operator. It is exactly the same as if-else statement. So basically, conditional operator evaluates the expression based on condition. If the condition is true, then it will return the value after question mark. Then if it's not true or false, it will return the value after colon. So you use special symbols after Boolean expressions. Condition refers to true and false. Expression refers to as it is. Let me write it down syntax. Boolean expression using if statement or any conditional statement, and then question mark, expression 1, colon, and expression 2. So condition refers to true or false. That means if it's true, refers to expression 1. If it's false, it will refer to expression 2. Let me draw a simple flowchart. It's going to look like an if-else statement. So input and the conditional statement. So based on decision making, if it's true, if it's false, we process it, then we print it out, output, then end our program. I will say start or begin. Let's say default value. Condition x greater than 0. If it's true, I will say y equal to 1. If it's false, y equal to minus 1. Then we print y. Then we end our program. So basic idea is if Boolean expression, in this case x greater than 0, is true, we process y equal to 1. If it's false, y equal to minus 1, then print y and our program. Let me demonstrate with actual coding. Create a new project. Java with Ant, Java application. Okay. If you are using older version of NetBeans, please upgrade to 11.1. Let me remove the comments and say conditional operator. So we start with typing 3 comments: input, process, output. The first one, let's say int x equal to 10. We declare variable with the initial value 10. As I need one more, y equal to 0. So y value depends on x condition. So it says that y equal, and then expression, Brownian expression, x greater than 10. Then question mark. If it's true, then expression 1, assign number 1. If it's false, we assign number -1. Then say system out print output y. So it's -1 because x is not greater than 0. Sorry, 10. If x is greater than 10, is y equal to 1. So if you look at here, it is possible to replace conditional operator with if-else statement. So conditional expression can be expressed with if-else statements. X greater than 0. Now we are looking at y equal to 1, if it's true. If it's false, it means else. Y equal to -1. Eventually, you should be able to convert if-else statement to conditional expression, or conditional expression to if-else statement, vice versa. So syntax for conditional operator is straightforward. Brownian expressions, then question mark. If it's true, expression 1, colon. If it's not true or false, expression 2. Okay, let me quickly have a look. Here, I think I introduced one more variable at the beginning, so I will just add it, int y equal to 0. Should we add to flowchart? So that will be consistent with flowchart encodings. Others are okay. The condition can be changed. So let me just add int y equal to 0. So initial value y equal to 0. Thank you.